When I first met Sierra Bender and was introduced to her method, I knew I wanted to accomplish this forest kindergarten, but I didn't have the confidence and the commitment to what it was I wanted to capture and do. And so with Sierra's method, I gained that confidence and I was able to really connect to what I knew was already within me. I'm Christine Hart here, and I have 2 master's degrees in early education. One is birth through 8th grade, and one is research policy and practice. And with those, I was able to start the first licensed forest kindergarten in the state of Massachusetts. It was Sierra who brought that to the forefront and helped build that self-confidence that I could go forward in the world and accomplish this amazing thing that has been a benefit to so many children and families. At Sprouts Farm and Forest Kindergarten, I was able to use specific things from Sierra's method. We went for silent hikes in the woods and really connected to Mother Earth. They gained so much respect for the earth, and that gives me confidence that these children are going to go on to become stewards of the earth. And I've recently sold that school, and I'm excited to see what comes next. I've been working with the moms of my school, and I really want to continue my work with wellness and women.